Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the total number of districts in our Karnataka and name of our districts and taluks of our districts and also directions and name of the districts, and also make a list of animals and birds which are found in our districts, and make a list of major crops found in our district, and also make a list of industries which are found in our districts, and make a list of major occupations found in our district. Okay, and write the names of rivers which flow in our districts and famous places found in our districts. Okay, write the names of famous places of our districts. So all these things we discussed here. So in this class, before going to discuss all these things, just we recall what we discussed in last class. So in last class we discussed about the Mallepura is a village. There are many houses. So how the villages are formed? So many houses together form a villages. Here Mallepura village belongs to Chandrayapatna Obli. So in this Obli there are a number of villages like Mallepura. So from this we are concluded that the number of villages together form a Obli. Okay, here Mallepura. So Mallepura is a village of Chandrayapatna Obli. Okay. So here is a picture of oblis. Many oblis together form a taluk. So here also we give conclusion or concluded that so many oblis together form a taluk. Okay, here Devanahalli taluk is there. So okay, the neighbor taluks of Devanahalli taluk are Doddaballapura taluk, Bengaluru urban district, and Hoskote taluk and Chikkaballapura district. So Kundana, Devanahalli, Kasaba, Chandrayapatna and Vijaypur. Okay. So all these are the oblis of Devanahalli taluk. So next, if you are living in a village, so know the names of obli and taluk. So in which it is located. Okay. So your village is located in which obli and in which taluk. If not, write the name of a village that you know. Okay, write the names of obli and taluk in which the village is located. Here village obli taluk. Okay, our village is Doddaballapura, obli is Taluku and taluk is Chalkere. Like that you also write your village obli and taluk. Okay. So make a list of oblis of your taluk and display it in the classroom. Make a list of oblis of your taluk and display it in the classroom. Okay. So our taluk is Chalkere. So okay. Oblis of Chalkere taluk is first one Parshampura, second one Kasaba, so third one Naiknatti, so fourth one Taluku. So all these are the oblis of Chalkere taluk. So you know that taluk consists of many oblis. Observe the map of given. Here we know that. So how the taluks are formed. Here taluks are formed by the number of oblis together form a taluk. Here Bengaluru rural district. So Bengaluru rural district. So how the districts are formed means a group of many taluks is called district. A group of many taluks is called districts. So identify the district which is given in the map and say. Okay. Here. So here Doddaballapura Kasaba. Okay. So next Nelamangala and Vijaypur and also Nandagudi. All these are the Hoskote. So all these are the taluks of Bengaluru rural district. Okay. So next, a group of many taluks is called districts. Identify the districts which is given in the map and say. Next, many districts together form a state. Here we will ask also questions like this. How the state are formed. Many districts together form a state. Our state is Karnataka. Do you know how many districts there are in our state? Observe the map of Karnataka. Make a list of districts are given here, there. So give the total number of districts. Okay. Here name of the districts: Bidar, Kalburgi, Vijaypur, Yadgiri, Belagavi, Bagalkote, Raichur. So Dharwada, Gadag, Koppala, Ballari, Uttar Kannada, Haveri, Udupi, Shivamogga. Okay. ಸೊ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ, ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಹಾಸನ, ತುಮಕೂರು, ಕೊಡಗು, ಮೈಸೂರು, ಮಂಡ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ರೂರಲ್, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅರ್ಬನ್, ಕೋಲಾರ, ರಾಮನಗರ, ಚಾಮರಾಜನಗರ and ವಿಜಯನಗರ. So all these are the districts of our state. Okay, now let us see total number of districts in our Karnataka are 31 districts. Vijayanagara is a newly formed district. So name of your districts. The name of our district is Chitradurga. Taluks of our district is Chedakere, Vadalkere, Malkalmuru and Hiriyuru, Chitradurga and Hosdurga. Okay, so I will once again repeat it. Total number of districts in our Karnataka are 31 districts. Name of our district is Chitradurga. Taluks of our district is Chedakere, Vadalkere, Malkalmuru, Hiriyuru, Chitradurga, Hosdurga. So look at the map of our state. Which districts are located in the northern and southern end of the state? Look at the map of our state. Which districts are located in the northern and southern end of the state? Okay. So write the name of the districts which surround your district. Write the names of the districts which surround the surrounding district in the table given below. Okay. So directions and names of the districts. So Tumkuru is located in east direction and Shimoga is located in west direction. Ballari is located in north direction and Hasana is located south direction. Okay. And Chikkaballapura is located in southeast direction and Chikmagaluru is located southwest direction and Raichuru is located in northeast direction and Davangere is located in northwest direction. So I will once again repeat it. Directions and the names of the districts. Tumkuru is located in east direction. Shivamogga is located in west direction. So Ballari is located in north direction. Hasana is located in south direction. So Chikkaballapura is located in southeast direction and Chikmagaluru is located in southwest direction and Raichuru is located in northeast direction and Davangere is located in northwest direction. Observe the picture. The picture of animals and birds which are found in our state are given. Okay. The pictures. Observe the picture and picture of the animals and birds which are given found in our states are given. First one, peacock, bear, cow, tiger, crane, sparrow, deer, elephant, parrot, rabbit, snake, horse, sheep, pigeon and squirrel. All these are the animals and birds that are found in our state. Okay, so make a list of animals and birds which are found in our districts. Cow, horse, sheep, all these are the animals. So peacock, sparrow, parrot, pigeon, all these are the birds found in our districts. In next class we discuss more things.